The OXO Good Grips garlic press makes mincing garlic simple and efficient. Its large capacity chamber can hold multiple cloves, while the sturdy construction ensures durability. The soft, non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip, and the press is easy to clean, with a built-in cleaner for removing residue effortlessly. Designed to extract maximum juice from lemons, limes, and other small citrus fruits, this squeezer features durable, easy-to-clean metal construction. Its ergonomic handles provide comfort during use, while the built-in strainer ensures no seeds or pulp make it into your juice. Compact and efficient, it's perfect for everyday use. This premium zester features ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for effortlessly zesting citrus fruits or grating hard cheeses, chocolate, and more. Its comfortable handle ensures ease of use, while its long-lasting blade stays sharp for extended performance. Lightweight and easy to clean, it's an essential tool for precise and creative cooking. This 30-ounce tumbler is crafted from stainless steel and features double-wall vacuum insulation, making it ideal for keeping beverages hot or cold for extended periods. Its FlowState lid with a rotating cover ensures spill-free use, while the ergonomic handle and built-in straw add convenience for on-the-go hydration. The Alpha Griller's thermometer is a must-have for home chefs and grill enthusiasts. Its instant read functionality provides accurate temperature readings in seconds, waterproof and equipped with a backlit display. It's perfect for low-light settings. It also features auto-calibration and a sturdy design, making it reliable for grilling, baking, or frying. Renowned for its excellent heat, retention and even cooking, this cast iron skillet is pre-seasoned for a natural, easy-release finish. It's perfect for frying, sorting, baking, and more. Its rugged construction ensures durability, while its versatility makes it suitable for stovetops, ovens, and campfires, enhancing your cooking experience. This 5-quart Dutch oven is a versatile kitchen tool with a lid that doubles as a skillet. Pre-seasoned for a natural non-stick surface, it's ideal for baking, frying, roasting, and stewing. Its cast iron construction ensures even heating, while it's robust. Design guarantees long-lasting performance for all cooking needs. This 2-in-1 reversible grill and griddle is a kitchen essential. The ridged grill side is ideal for grilling meats and vegetables, while the smooth griddle side is perfect for pancakes, eggs, and sandwiches. Made from durable cast iron, it provides even heating and works on stovetops, ovens, and campfires. The S&T Ink dish drying mat is made from highly absorbent microfiber, providing a soft and safe surface for drying dishes, glassware, and pots. Its generous 16 inches x 18 inches size accommodates a variety of items. Foldable for easy storage and machine washable, it's a practical addition to any kitchen. These heat-resistant silicone turners are designed for non-stick cookware, ensuring no scratches or damage. Perfect for flipping delicate foods like eggs and pancakes. They're durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, and their high heat resistance makes them reliable for various cooking tasks.